Hey, it's Easy Glaze. Welcome back to the channel, Peace and Nature. So I just want to do a quick video. I got this old time cutter, Z5000, 50 inch. If you've seen my videos before, you've seen me doing oil changes on this. So I'm doing an oil change on this one right now. And I noticed there's been an oil leak. So throughout the months that it's been sitting, there has been oil that leaked out. Now, let me give you a visual. This is where the oil goes in through here, and it's just screwed onto there. I took the screw off and this comes right out. Now, one second. I think the issue is just simply the washer here. I haven't played with it yet, so let's see together if I'm able to get the washer off. One second. I think it's a washer. Let's see. Okay, I don't know if it stays on there snug or what. Let's see. No, it looks like there's some play. It looks like I should be able to get it out. I don't want to... See, I don't know anything about this. I don't want to damage it or anything. Huh. Let's see. Okay, this is like one big... This isn't just a washer that you put in there. I see. All right, well, I'm gonna clean it up and maybe put a washer there on top. Washer is a twist. So you twist it, you don't pull. So I had pulled it, but it was already loose. It's a twist. So I cleaned it up and I twist it back in. It's almost like a nut. You twist it in. So cleaned it up. Let me see if I can make it any tighter. Yeah, I can with the rag. So, there we go. I'm gonna make it as tight as I can, and I think that's why I was having a small leak. All right, let me know. Let me know if I'm on to the right track. Peace.